So hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Campus Chronicles. So in that video we can discuss about a normal and abnormal sounds of a respiratory system. So in the normal sounds there are a vesicular, it's a low pitch sound and heard over a most of normal lung. Second is a bronchrovesicular. It is a medium pitch sound and heard over mainstream bronchi. Third is a bronchial or a tracheal. It is a high pitch sound and normally heard over trachea. And let's discuss about the abnormal sounds. So first is a rails. Discrete non-continuous sound. It is a discrete non-continuous sound. And a wrong cry. Continuous sound produced by air being forced through a narrow. Third is a wheeze sound. It is continuous sound produced by air being forced through narrow passage like a rhonchi. And the fourth abnormal sound is stridor. Loud musical sound of a constant pitch, most prominent during inspiration, and sound produce obstruction in the airway, laryngeal tumors, tracheal stenosis, or aspirated foreign body. So, in a comment box, you can comment what is the meaning of stenosis and what is a tracheal stenosis. Thank you for watching.